Let's be honest, motorcyclists have always had a bit of a tech gap. While our four-wheel counterparts sip lattes and shout at Siri, "Siri, find me a wig shop!" we're out here trying to read maps through fogged-up visors or jabbing at a phone screen taped to the tank like it's 2003. But no more. Enter the AOOCCI C6Pro. One of the many motorcycle CarPlay systems that make you feel like your bike finally joined the 21st century and maybe even leapfrogged you in IQ. At first glance, the AOOCCI C6Pro looks like the love child of a Tesla dashboard and an action cam strapped proudly onto your handlebars. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual dash cams front and rear, TPMS, and enough acronyms to make NASA jealous. Honestly, I half expected it to ask me what I'd like from the lunch menu. But once installed, it didn't just enhance my ride, it transformed it. Suddenly, I was blasting tunes, getting turn-by-turn directions from a calm robotic voice instead of panicking at wrong exits, and even answering calls without the stress of trying to yell through my helmet like a World War II fighter pilot. It can even be customized to show your name or logo on startup, which makes me very, very excited. As well as a sturdy 6.25 inches, and I'm talking about the screen, it's also waterproof. Now let's talk CarPlay and Android Auto. Plug your phone in and voila, maps, music, messages and much more right there. No more dodgy Bluetooth setups that disconnect every time you sneeze. And no more balancing your phone on the tank bag praying it doesn't yeet itself into a hedge on a bumpy road. With the AOOCCI, you can shout "play AC/DC" and feel like you're on a stage in your own live concert. Then there's the dual dash cam system. Yes, it records both front and rear in glorious HD. Ideal for reliving those majestic coastal rides around Donegal, or proving to your mate Seamus that yes, the sheep really did walk out in front of you at 60 miles an hour. With loop recording and auto-locking footage on impact, it's your guardian angel on a micro SD card. Plus, it means that when Karen in the SUV claims she didn't see you at the roundabout, you've literally got the receipt. Now, brace yourself for this one. The tyre pressure monitoring system not only tells you the real-time pressure, but also the temperature of your tyres. No more kicking your rubber and thinking to yourself, yeah, that feels about right. You also get on-screen alerts if your pressure drops faster than your mood in Monday morning traffic. But what really seals the deal? The AOOCCI C6Pro is rugged, it's built like a tank, and it doesn't flinch in harsh weather. With a 1000-nit display, the screen is bright enough to see even on sunny days. Rare, I know. And it also adjusts automatically. It also boots up with the ignition faster than your phone wakes up from clearing your man history. Plus, it comes with a handlebar-mounted remote control, so even with your gloves on, you can skip tracks, zoom maps, or hang up on your boss with one click. In conclusion, the AOOCCI C6Pro isn't just an upgrade, it's a biker's lifestyle change. It turns every ride into a smarter, safer, and more connected experience. You still get the thrill, the freedom, and the wind in your face, just now with fewer missed turns. No mystery tyre blowouts, and a playlist that doesn't involve shouting at your helmet. It's the smartest thing on my bike, and that includes me. Seriously though, this is a superb system at an incredible price. But whilst I'm already catered for on my BMW, although this is a much better size, it has to be said, and I really don't fancy it sticking out the front of the street triple, if I owned nearly any other bike, I'd find it difficult to keep my hair on if I saw a system like this. And of course, like so many of us YouTube w***ers, I was also sent this system free of charge. But if you know me by now, you'll also know that I really don't give a fuck who I offend, who I upset. I'm going to tell you how the system is, as I've just done. But I have to say, I reckon it's a great buy. If you do want to buy one for around €200, I make around 20 quid out of that, and then you save another €44, bringing your price down to around €160, or £130 sterling, which is cheaper than one of my dental appointments. So that's it. Thanks a million to AOOCCI for sending me this system. I really am super impressed. Here's the link below. I'll also put it in the blurb if you do fancy availing of this super fine product. Thanks again for tuning in, folks. I shall be back on YouTube next Saturday, 8 AM, with a different hairdo. See you then. Cheers.